Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to open the application using run command box. So run command in Linux. So here you can see that many applications are there. So let us try to open through run command or run command box. So just press Alt F2. So Alt F2 is a shortcut key. You can see a run a command box dialog box appears. So you can type the name of the application. Okay. So here you can see that I have typed the application name as Firefox. So Firefox web browser is started now. So it is similar to run command in Windows. So you can open the applications very quickly if you know the application name. Okay, once again, let me try some other application. Alt F2. Genome terminal. Yes. Let me try some other application. Alt F2. Genome calculator. Yes. So this is the way you can open the applications quickly using a run command. Yes. So make sure that you know the application names correctly. Then only this run command will be working. So successfully I opened the applications using run command box in Oracle Linux 9 operating system.